Pickleball is picking up in the area more and more every month. It is a perfect sport for all ages and ability levels. We have several 80-year-olds on the courts today that are better than most 40-year-olds. I've seen people that have had recent surgeries, whether it's a knee replacement, hip replacement, and they get back in the game and have a fabulous time.
So Apple Valley was one of the first cities in the Twin Cities metro area to have pickleball courts. We have 8 full-size pickleball courts here at Johnny Cake. So based on the feedback that we've been getting from people that play pickleball, they really love the courts. It's really just an amenity that's out here for the public to use and access when they want to during our normal park hours.
I play pickleball a lot for the exercise. It's a good cardio kind of workout. It's not too strenuous on the body, and it's also a great social activity. We get together on and off the court, we go to lunch, we have parties, all of that kind of stuff. So it's a very social game as well as being a nice workout. Everybody starts sometime. We're happy to work with beginners, get them going, get them acclimated to the game and working it out.
I think it's important to know that not only is pickleball a great physical activity, but it's a great social activity, and it keeps seniors pulled together and positive and happy and young.